such as jeans or yoga pants, beach or lake. Then they tally their correct entries at the end, and the winner should get a prize. You can play by the honor system, and each person shares whether they got the right answer question by question, or you can turn in your cards with your names on them at the end, and let the suspense of who is the winner be part of the fun. The options are current, relatable, and well selected, so it might not be a clear giveaway what the correct answer will be. For example, one is to stay home or go out. Sure, there may have been a time when the person would choose to go out, but at some point, most people switch that answer to staying home. You never really know when that day will come, so this answer might be up for grabs. The Guess Who game adds another intriguing element to the guessing game by finding out how well the guests know the bride or groom, at least how well they guess, or both. It could get a little awkward if someone knows the groom's responses better, but again, it's all in fun. This game works by asking simple questions about the bride or groom, which of them is the better dancer, which is better with directions, and so on. It helps again by letting the guests know a little more about each person they might not have known, bringing the group closer. Him or Her is a game where you circle which answer you think belongs to the bride or groom. Like other this or that games in this post, you will want to choose this game or the other similar choices, but not both. This game gives more variety of choices in the answer types that you may relate to more than the other games. Have fun! The great thing about Over or Under is that it's a little tougher for anyone to get any of the responses